Hola, señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. For your actividad inicial that you should have completed in the first 5 minutes of class, you have to go to this photo and there is a conversation. We have been working on short conversations. You did some activities on this and you have vocabulary 1 for this, so you just need to copy the conversation. You're gonna copy this and then when you reply, you just paste it here and put here whatever is going. Like you're gonna fill in these blanks with whatever you think goes there. Once you complete that, let me just do, you're gonna put your words there and your words here and your words here. And once you complete it, you click post reply and I will get your answer. In this part of the chapter, para empezar en la escuela, you are going to review some commands. So for the commands, I put this picture that I took from the book, and it has some of the commands. I'm going to make it a little bigger for now so we can see what it says. So it says, atención, por favor. That's attention, please. And then it says, silencio, por favor. That's silence, please. Abran el libro en la página 10. Open your book to page 10. So those are commands that you should hear in the Spanish classroom. Atención, cierren el libro. That's close your book. Attention, close your book. And then it says, repitan, por favor. That's repeat, please. Now you see por favor here and por favor here and por favor here. That means please. It's very important to learn some good manners too. Buenos días. And then the class is going to repeat buenos días because I asked repitan por favor. That means repeat please. Levántense por favor. That's stand up. Or siéntense por favor. That's sit down. Please. Again, it says please. Then it says saquen una hoja de papel. That means take out a piece of paper. Escriban los números. Write the numbers. Saquen una hoja de papel, escriban los números. Take a piece of paper, write the numbers. Entreguen sus hojas de papel. Just give me your papers. Entreguen sus hojas de papel. So when you finish your activity, you turn in your papers. Okay? So that is the lesson for the commands. But also you're going to learn the numbers. So the numbers. In the numbers, I put this list of numbers. But I also put a video here on this picture that says the numbers. Let's go to that video. I think I put it right here.
0,
So it's going to tell you the numbers. You can go there and watch this video and see that they pronounce the numbers that they have in this page. Back to the plan. After watching the video with the lesson and instructions, this is the video with the lesson and instructions, you're going to complete the activities. For your first activity on the numbers, you're going to supply the missing number. And then you're going to read the sequence in Spanish and you're going to record it. This is not typing, it is recording. So you are going to complete this sequence. For example, the sequence A. You have 1 and you have 3. Uno y tres. Which one is the missing number? That's correct. It's dos. So you're gonna, when you have to read it, you're gonna say uno, dos, tres. And then you go to B. 6, what is the missing number? Ocho. So you had to read the sequence. First thing you do, you complete the sequence. You probably can do this on a piece of paper. Or if you prefer, I think that you can actually take notes here, make notes here. Let's see. So I went to the student view to see me work and I found out this. You can actually copy it copy this. And when you start your assignment, you can paste it here. I had already pasted. So you paste it here. You have it. And you can replace your numbers. So you know what the missing number is. Or you can even type it. So anyway, you do the way that is easier for you. And then you have to record. So this is how you record. You go right here. And it says start recording. So you have your list there. Or you have your list on the paper. I think it's going to be probably easier on the paper. Because you have this here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot to say A. A. 1, 2, 3. B. 6, 7, 8. C. And so on. I'm not going to do it all. And then you finish. You click Save Media. Or if you made a mistake, you can start over. You know that you can always pause this and go and check. So that's part of what you had to do. Let's go back to the plan. Then it says, this is actividad 1. Then you have actividad 2, numbers and commands. And you have your Google form. You remember last name, capital, first name, capital. And then you select your class. Let's put something there so it is. Let us move on. And then you have your Spanish teacher has asked you to learn some basic classroom commands. So we were practicing those classroom commands. And you just need to choose what the teacher is saying. So you have 5 here, you have 5 questions, and you do that. Then you move to the next activity that is about the numbers. And in this one, you are going to do math and Spanish. So I gave you some simple operations. 5 más 5. That's 5 plus 5. And then I gave you your answers. So you have several of these. Please check what the right answer is. Select the right answer. And once you finish that, you submit. This form has the option to edit in case that you don't get all your answers right. So it's going to show you that you have an incorrect answer. You can go and double check that you did your simple math problem right and do it. Here's some extra information. So I put a list of numbers here. And I put it's called a color-coded number chart. If you were in 6th grade with me, you probably recognize it. I put it color-coded from 1 to 10, and then from 11 to 20, to 21 to 30, 31 to 40, and then I just put the tens here up to 100 because they're similar. I will show you in another video why they are organized like this. And that other video is going to be here, number pronunciation video. And then you have the Quizlet numbers that you can practice so we can play at some point. So you have plenty of work to do today. Please stay focused and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you.